In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Jira. Let's dive in and make sure you have a smoother experience by managing those notifications effectively. First, open Jira. This might seem like a simple step, but it's important to start on the right foot. Opening Jira ensures that you have access to all the tools and settings needed for this task. If you're already logged in, you'll see your dashboard. If not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This is your starting point for all the customization you can do. Once you have Jira open, click on your profile picture. You'll usually find it in the upper right corner of your screen. This little icon is your gateway to personalizing your Jira experience. It's where you can adjust settings that affect how you interact with the platform. Clicking your profile picture will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. The Settings option is where a lot of the magic happens. It allows you to tailor Jira to fit your specific needs. By accessing your settings, you're in control of what notifications you receive, which can significantly impact your productivity and focus. After that, select Notification Settings. This is a crucial step because it's where you can directly manage how and when you're notified about changes or updates. Getting to the notification settings allows you to customize your experience, ensuring that you only receive notifications that are truly important to you. Now here's the key part. Toggle off the notifications. You'll see a switch or toggle button that you can click to turn off notifications. This action is vital because it gives you peace of mind, knowing you won't be bombarded with unnecessary alerts. Instead, you'll only receive updates that are crucial, helping you maintain focus and efficiency. Turning off notifications can be a big relief, especially if you're involved in multiple projects and are receiving a large volume of updates. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it if you find that you're missing out on important information. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. At this point, you've successfully turned off notifications in Jira, tailoring your experience to be free of distractions. This adjustment is a small step, but it can make a significant difference in how you manage your tasks and projects. With that ready, you're all set to experience a more streamlined workflow. Remember, the ability to customize notifications is there to help you focus on what truly matters. By reducing unnecessary noise, you can spend more time on tasks that require your attention. To wrap it up, keep in mind that Jira's flexibility is one of its strengths. Adjusting your notification settings is just one way to make sure the tool works for you, not the other way around. You're now equipped with the knowledge to control your notifications, making your Jira experience more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your Jira notifications. Until next time, happy task managing.